Hello guys, so I'm back in my YouTube channel. You must be thinking why I'm putting a lot of travel blog posts like the places which I had visited last year, that is Singapore, even this year like Dibrugarh, the tea estate, the pathway from the Sarovar Portico Hotel to the tea estate, the Bogie Bill Bridge, Kanchenjunga. Actually, I must say that I wanted to see that this channel is not only for the NEET PGMDS lovers but also for the travel bloggers, photography, because I myself find pleasure in all the travel which I do, be it going to some far off destination, isolated areas like Gangtok, Imphal, Aizawl, Siliguri, Silchar, Agartala, Tripura, and the many offbeat areas in Bengal as well, like Bankura, Bardhaman. This gives me immense pleasure because I come to find new people, and that helps me in increasing my soft speaking skills. As I know that previously I used to be a very scared, nervous, I used to fumble a lot as well. But now, as the time progressed, with the emerging social media, we can tell about our experiences. Many people say that when we share our experience, we are making social media give a negative eye or a bad eye on us. But let me tell you, it's not the world which has a bad eye on us, it's the way which we think. I think we should have a broad minded approach, we should be optimistic, वी शुड ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव, जिसको हिंदी में भी बोलते हैं दूरदर्शी प्रतिक्रिया से सोचने की एक क्षमता रखनी चाहिए. सो हमें लाइक वी शुड बी वेरी, आई एम सॉरी आई यूज्ड हिंदी वर्ड्स बिकॉज एज यू ऑल नो दैट आई एम फ्रॉम जमशेदपुर. I love speaking in Hindi, although I speak in Bengali as well, but I don't know how to read or write Bengali. So this channel will be a mixture of all the languages, like speaking in English, Hindi, Bengali. Mostly it's English because I love speaking in English, and sometimes in Hindi as well. And the various travel posts, short reels. I loved my experience to Singapore, where we had gone from Changi Airport to Ibis Novena, going to Little India, Mustafa Market, Sentosa Island, the various beautiful, magnificent Sentosa over the town view, the ropeway tour, where we could see the city as a small nurturing view. It was like first I thought that it is like opera house of Australia, but then it gave me immense pleasure because it was Singapore, and my parents, my family are so supportive enough that they always tell me, please make videos because you speak nicely, and my mother keeps on inspiring me for all the videos. But as you know, as you all guys know that I'm a bit lazy, so मुझे लेट भी होता है वीडियोस बनाने में या थोड़ा सा रेडी हो के वीडियोस बनाने में. बट हाँ, माई मदर does inspire me a lot. Not for earning, I'm way away from earning anything. मैं बहुत दूर हूँ earning के लिए, be it the viewpoint, be it हर चीज़ों में. बट मुझे अच्छा लगता है अपनी एक्सपीरियंसेस को शेयर करने में आप लोगों के साथ, प्लस आप लोगों का कमेंट्स पढ़ने में, क्योंकि मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. तो आप लोग अपनी अपनी जो प्रॉब्लम्स भी मेरे पास रखते हो इन द कमेंट्स, दैट इज़ दांतों का प्रॉब्लम या कुछ भी, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आई लव गिविंग कंसल्टेशंस टू पीपल एज वेल विद द ऑप्टिमम अमाउंट ऑफ नॉलेज विच आई हैव. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड एंड अगेन टू बी रेगुलर. मैं बीच में बहुत इरेगुलर हो गई थी, बट आई मस्ट से मैं अभी रेगुलर रहूँगी, and not for earning or anything else, but only for the sake of my peace state of mind, mindfulness, and sharing every experience of life, so that ये ना लगे कि ज़िंदगी ज़्यादा जिया नहीं, बट ऐसे ज़िंदगी जीना चाहिए कि ज़िंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. सो जो बोलते हैं ना, देयर इज़ अ कोटेशन इन हिंदी कि बाबू मोशाई, ज़िंदगी बड़ी नहीं लंबी होनी चाहिए. So I'm sorry, I think it's लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए. So make your life big and enjoy every experience with your family, parents, everyone, be it your husband, wife, mother, father, and make sure that you give this much amount of happiness to your family members, and not spreading negativity or not discussing something which is very bad about people, being ruthless with people, but rather being kind to people. बिकॉज वी डोंट नो हर कोई अपनी लाइफ में सफ़र कर रहा होगा, बट हमारे एक काइंड वर्ड से, हम्बल वर्ड से लोगों को अपनी ज़िंदगी जीने में एक होप मिल सकता है, एक आशा मिल सकती है. थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड विश यू, I will like to meet you soon everyone. So bye everyone. Bye guys.